Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss the important topic from the unit number 1, that is the crystal structure. The crystal structure deals with atomic arrangement in a solid. It has a three-dimensional arrangement. The properties of an individual atom are determined by its atomic structure. So let us find what exactly meaning of this crystal structure. The properties of an individual atom are determined by its atomic structure. This respect, the valence electrons play an important role in producing the most of its chemical, mechanical, electrical and optical properties. These atoms combine together to form a crystal. The arrangement of the atom in interior of a crystal is called as the crystal structure. In this video, we are going to discuss the introduction to the crystal physics, then crystalline and non-crystalline solid, space lattice, crystal structure, lattice parameter, then crystal system and Bravais lattice. So the matter have the three state. One is gaseous, second the liquid or liquid crystal, and third is solid. Then what is the crystal physics? Crystal physics, it is the physical property of crystalline solid. It determines their actual structure by using the X-ray, neutron beam and electron beam. Then classification of the solid. The solids material are classified into following types. Then crystalline, then polycrystalline and amorphous. The crystalline solid, the arrangement of unit of matters is regular and periodic. The anisotropic substance, it has the sharp melting point, possess a regular space. For example, iron, copper, carbon, germanium. The non-crystalline solids, it is amorphous solids. The particles are randomly distributed. It is isotropic substance. It has wide range as melting point. For example, glass, plastic, rubber, etc. Then polycrystalline method, you can view the picture, the arrangement of the many small single crystals, the high degree of order over a many atomic or the molecular dimension. It has the grain boundaries. The grains are usually 100 nanometers to 100 microns in diameter. The polycrystalline with grain is greater than 10 nanometers in diameter. That's called as the nanocrystalline. For example, the organic solid, most of the metal and ceramic. Then crystallographic terms, we have to study in this video the space lattice, lattice point, lattice line, lattice plane, then basis and motif, then crystal structure and unit cell and lattice parameters. What is the space lattice? It is regular and periodic arrangement of the points in a three dimensions. Identical surroundings to be of every points in an array. Then we can say about the lattice that lattice is a regular geometrical arrangement of points in a crystal space. The atoms arrange themselves in distinct pattern in a space called as the space lattice. The space lattice can considered as a infinite arrays of the point in a space so arranged that it divides space into the equal volume with the space excluded. The space lattice or crystal lattice is the arrangement of the atom in a crystal. The X-ray studies the X-ray studies reveals that atoms in a crystalline materials are arranged in a regular three-dimension repeating patterns known as lattice structure, and there are 14 ways which points can arrange in a space so that each has identical surrounding. These 14 lattice space lattice are known as Bravais space lattice. Then the basics. It is a unit assembly of the atom or molecule identical in composition, arrangement and orientation. Repetitions of the basic correct periodicity in all direction. The crystal structure is real while the lattice is imaginary. For example, aluminum has one atom in a basis, barium is 2, NaCl is 2, KCl is 2 and CaF2 is 3. Then what is the crystal structure? Crystal structure is the combination of the lattice and basis. It forms the crystal structure. So let us find out what is the unit cell. Before that, the crystal structure observed in a solid are described in terms of idealized geometrical concept called as a space lattice, and the arrangement of the atoms in a crystals can describe with respect to the three-dimension net of straight lines, and that line are called as the space lattice. The intersection of the lines are the point of the space lattice. These may be have the atom or several clustered atoms. The lattice point can be arranged in 14 different arrangement in array. The unit cell, a fundamental building block. It is repeating its own dimension in various directions given a crystal structure. The structure of a perfect crystal is a regular pattern of the atom. It is distributed on a space lattice. The atomic arrangement can be described completely by specifying the atom position in some repeating unit of the space lattice. This repeating unit of the space lattice is called as the unit cell. So let us find out what are the parameters of the lattice. The lattice have x, y and z axes, and that axis is called as the crystallographic axis. The length of the unit cell along the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis or directions are A, B and C. The interaxial angles are alpha. This is angle between the A and B. Then beta is the angle between the B and C, and gamma is angle between the C and A. So A, B, C, alpha, beta, gamma are collectively known as lattice parent.